Yeah, I accept that apart from our academic reading, we hardly get any time to read. Let's accept it. We don't like reading. But why? Is it boring? No. We will have to maintain continuity. That's the biggest challenge that most of us avoid reading. It's really very hard to stay focused. But the matter of the fact is, you don't need to be a voracious reader to be able to absorb these 5 books that I am going to mention. These books are not meant to be read cover to cover. You choose a topic, you read it and repeat.
और ये ड्रामा ज्यादा दिन नहीं करना। कितने दिन? 21 दिन में कोई भी आदत लग जाती है, कोई भी आदत छूट जाती है।
So let's get right into the point. Before that, if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing as I make videos on such interesting topics. The first book on our list is Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. In this book, Dr. Murphy stresses on the impact subconscious mind have on our mind. The way we think, we perceive our ideas, thought process and mindset has been put a great emphasis. From overcoming weakness and bad habits and increasing your wealth, subconscious mind opens up a completely different perspective and opens a world of peace, success and prosperity for you. The PDF link of the book has been given in the description, so do check it out. And if you are interested in buying the hard copy, I will provide you the best buying link. Our second book on the list is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. In the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes on money and personal finance. We all want money, and it's important. Once we get to the point, we need it to use it in an efficient manner. It is considered as the personal finance book of all time. It explores the myth that you need to earn a high income to become rich, especially in a world where technology is in its boom. It reminds us that we can't rely on school system to teach ourselves about money. So money is important, but managing it efficiently is even more. The both PDF and buying link has been given in the description, so do check it out. The third book on the list, and it's my personal favorite, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book is short and crisp, to the point. In this book, Napoleon Hill combines all the knowledge of Henry Ford, Bill Gates, Andrew Carnegie, Thomas Edison. He gets you know all the secret success recipe of this great man. After reading this book, your inner call will have a completely new dimension to it. So everyone must read this book because it's very short, but at the same time it's the one you need to make the difference. The fourth book on the list is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Dale Carnegie in his book simplifies the communication skills required to influence people. How to make friends quickly and easily. It helps you to learn, improve your communication skills and become more entertaining. How to market yourself so that it improves the perception that people hold about you. The last book on the list and the most important one, Autobiography of an Yogi by Paramahansa Yogananda. Autobiography of an Yogi is the story of the life of Paramahansa Yogananda. His good name is Mukundalal Ghosh. Hailing from a Bengali family, the challenges that he faces, his encounter with spirituality, his teachings of Kriya Yoga and meditation, his emphasizing deep to know oneself, and how important it is to stay calm during different situations. The best book to start your spiritual journey. Autobiography of an Yogi is also considered as one of the top 100 books on Kriya Yoga all time. It is the most important spiritual books of 20th century. Autobiography of an Yogi is an introduction to the methods of attaining God realization and emphasizes the value of Kriya Yoga and life. It emphasizes on self-respect, calmness, determination, simple diet, and regular exercise. Basically, a minimalistic life. All the PDF links of the books are linked down below in the description, so do check it out. If you find this video helpful, do hit the like button and comment down below which book was appealing to you. And do share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching.